Before we dive into the recent price action, let's take a moment to understand the foundation of Cardano and why it's become such a significant player in the world of cryptocurrencies. Cardano isn't just another digital asset. It's a blockchain platform designed from the ground up to address the limitations of earlier cryptocurrencies. Its vision is to create a more balanced and sustainable ecosystem for both users and innovators. The project was founded by Charles Hoskinson, who is also known for his role as a co-founder of Ethereum. His experience and vision have been instrumental in shaping Cardano's unique approach to blockchain technology. Unlike many other blockchains, Cardano is built on a foundation of scientific philosophy and academic research. Every upgrade and feature is peer-reviewed by experts, ensuring a high level of security, scalability, and sustainability. At the heart of Cardano is its native cryptocurrency, ADA. ADA isn't just used for transactions. It also enables users to participate in the network's proof-of-stake consensus, earning rewards and helping to secure the blockchain. Cardano's development is structured into distinct phases, known as eras: Byron, Shelley, Gauguin, Basho, and Voltaire. Each era introduces major advancements, from decentralization and smart contracts to scalability and governance, making Cardano more robust over time. What truly sets Cardano apart is its commitment to a methodical academic approach. The platform collaborates with universities and research institutions worldwide, ensuring that every step forward is backed by rigorous scientific study. Cardano's global community is passionate and highly engaged, contributing to open-source development, educational initiatives, and real-world adoption. Their dedication fuels the project's momentum and long-term vision. More than just a cryptocurrency, Cardano is a platform aiming to solve some of blockchain's biggest challenges, like scalability, interoperability, and environmental sustainability, making it a leader in the next wave of blockchain innovation. With this strong, research-driven foundation, it's easier to see why Cardano's market movements are closely watched by investors, and why its progress matters in the broader crypto landscape. On Friday, November 7, 2025, Cardano's ADA surprised the entire crypto market by surging over 10% in a single day, an explosive move that few saw coming. This wasn't just a minor uptick or a routine fluctuation. It was a dramatic leap that immediately caught the attention of traders, analysts, and crypto enthusiasts worldwide. In fact, this was ADA's biggest one-day gain since October, marking a significant milestone in its recent trading history. The price chart lit up with a massive green candle, signaling a powerful shift in momentum that stood out even among the typically volatile crypto markets. This sharp upward move broke ADA out of its recent trading range, where it had been consolidating for weeks. For technical traders, this breakout was a clear signal that market sentiment was shifting from caution to renewed optimism, and it suggested that a new trend could be forming. Interestingly, the rally unfolded just as traditional financial markets were closing for the week. With Wall Street and other major exchanges shut, the surge was driven entirely by crypto market forces, highlighting the unique 24/7 nature of digital assets and the independence of crypto from traditional finance. ADA's price hit 0.58 on the investing.com index, a level it hadn't seen in weeks. This clear break from previous resistance levels was a strong technical signal, and it quickly became a focal point for both short-term traders and long-term investors. The sudden momentum sparked a wave of excitement among traders, with social media lighting up as the Cardano community celebrated the unexpected rally. Optimism surged, and many began speculating about what could come next for ADA. What made this jump even more remarkable was that it came right after a tough week for ADA, during which the price had actually declined by over 4%. The quick turnaround from a losing streak to a double-digit gain added to the sense of surprise and intrigue. The dramatic reversal caught the attention of investors everywhere, many of whom were searching for early signs of a broader trend change in the crypto market. Analysts began to dig deeper, looking for clues behind the sudden surge. To truly understand what fueled this impressive move, let's take a closer look at the underlying numbers, recent developments, and the broader market context that set the stage for ADA's breakout moment. Cardano's 10% rally brought ADA to 0.58, after trading between 0.52 and 0.58 that day. Its market capitalization jumped to $20.67 billion, cementing Cardano's status as a top crypto asset. ADA accounted for 0.6% of the total crypto market cap, a significant share in a trillion-dollar market. Trading volume soared to 1.14 billion, showing strong participation and liquidity. High volume alongside a price surge is a bullish sign, indicating real investor interest. Cardano's trading activity matched its market cap share, reflecting healthy market dynamics. This wasn't just a few big trades, it was a broad-based rally. The numbers confirmed that the surge was well supported, not just a fluke. Let's see how Cardano's move stacked up against the giants. To put Cardano's surge in perspective, compare it to Bitcoin and Ethereum on the same day. Bitcoin rose just 0.8%, trading above $102,000. While Ethereum gained 1.7% to $3,387. Cardano's 10% jump far outpaced both, signaling unique investor interest. This wasn't just a market-wide rally, something specific was driving ADA. Altcoins like Cardano can offer higher growth potential than the more stable giants, though with more risk. On that day, Bitcoin dominated 59% of the market, Ethereum nearly 12%, and Cardano just 0.6%. Yet, Cardano's independent surge showed its ability to carve out its own momentum. For investors, it's a reminder that strong projects can outperform even in a Bitcoin-led market. Now let's zoom out and see how this fits into Cardano's long-term story. Even after the surge, AD at 0.58 is still down over 81% from its all-time high of $3.10 set in September 2021. Many altcoins share this story: huge gains in the 2021 bull run, followed by steep declines. Cardano's market cap, now $67 billion, once peaked near $95 billion. The road back to those highs would require a more than four-fold increase. For long-term holders, the recent jump is encouraging, but it's just a step on a long journey. For new investors, it's both an opportunity and a warning about crypto's volatility. One strong day doesn't mean a full recovery is underway. Context is key. Optimism should be balanced with realism. Cardano's surge was driven by renewed investor confidence, thanks to steady ecosystem growth. More DeFi projects and dApps are launching on Cardano, increasing its real-world utility. As Bitcoin and Ethereum hit new highs, some investors rotate profits into promising altcoins like ADA. Cardano's clear roadmap and progress toward full decentralization, especially with the Voltaire era, boost its appeal. The project's commitment to community governance sets it apart from more centralized rivals. Cardano's active, engaged community amplifies positive news, fueling momentum. The recent rally may be the result of this optimism finally reaching a tipping point. It's a sign that Cardano's narrative of steady progress is resonating with the wider market. After a big rally, the key question is, can Cardano sustain this momentum? The case for lasting growth rests on real ecosystem development and rising on-chain activity. But crypto is volatile. Sometimes price jumps are driven by speculation or short squeezes, not fundamentals. Cardano's outperformance versus Bitcoin and Ethereum is bullish, but it needs to continue attracting users and developers. A healthy pullback after a sharp move is normal and can set a stronger base for future gains. Investors should avoid FOMO and watch for signs of sustained adoption. The real test is whether ADA can hold its gains and build a new support level. Only then will we know if this was a turning point or just a brief spike. For Cardano investors, several key indicators are worth tracking. Watch on-chain metrics, active addresses, transaction volume, and total value locked in DeFi. Growth in these areas signals real adoption and utility. Monitor progress on the Voltaire era and community governance milestones. Delays or breakthroughs here can impact sentiment and price. Keep an eye on the broader macro environment. Regulation, interest rates, and global economic trends all matter. Compare Cardano's performance to other Layer 1 blockchains like Solana and Avalanche. Cardano's future depends on its ability to stand out in a crowded, competitive space. Staying informed is the best way to navigate the road ahead. Cardano's recent 10% surge was more than just a number on a chart. It was a powerful signal of renewed optimism for the project and its passionate community. For many, this rally felt like a breath of fresh air after a period of uncertainty and sideways movement. It reignited hope and reminded investors why they believed in Cardano in the first place. The rally demonstrated that strong fundamentals, a dedicated development team, and a clear long-term vision can still capture the market's attention, even in a crowded crypto landscape. It wasn't just about price, it was about the validation of Cardano's approach and the excitement around its ongoing progress. Cardano's outperformance during this period highlighted its potential as a leading altcoin, standing out from the crowd even as it remains far below its all-time high. This move put Cardano back in the spotlight, sparking new conversations about its future and its place among the top digital assets. The event shifted the narrative from stagnation and doubt to one of future potential, fueled by visible ecosystem progress and unwavering community support. Developers, investors, and enthusiasts alike found new reasons to be excited about what's coming next. Strong trading volume during the surge confirmed that this wasn't just a speculative blip. There was real investor interest and conviction behind the move. The market's response suggested that many see Cardano as more than just another altcoin. The next chapter for Cardano will depend on continued development, real-world adoption, and the ability to deliver on its ambitious roadmap. The community is watching closely as new features and partnerships are rolled out, hoping these will drive further growth and innovation. Whether this marks the beginning of a sustained uptrend or simply a brief spike, one thing is clear: Cardano has proven it can't be ignored. Its resilience and potential continue to attract attention from both seasoned investors and newcomers. As the crypto world turns its gaze toward Cardano, everyone will be watching closely to see what comes next, because in this fast-moving space, anything is possible.